All right, Las Vegas, I am back, and I'm back in a big way. This is the most heroic Vegas trip ever. 30 days, 9 different hotels. I'm at hotel number 1 right now. My trip is starting. I'm at the Golden Nugget. And this is one of the most popular hotels in Las Vegas. It's one of the most iconic hotels in Las Vegas. This is vintage Vegas. It's one of the oldest hotels in Las Vegas. And if you are coming downtown and you do want to stay at the Golden Nugget, you need to pay attention to this video because I booked the most popular room here. It's the entry-level room here, and it's also the cheapest room here. This is the Premium King in the Carson Tower. So I'm gonna give you a complete inside look into this room. I'm gonna show you what it's all about. So if you're coming to Las Vegas, you have an idea of where you're going to be staying if you decide to stay at the Golden Nugget. I'm gonna get right into the video. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is kind of emblematic of this hotel. It's very straightforward. It's very no nonsense. It is quite small. You have a single vanity, but you do have nice finishes in here. You have a marble floor. You have a nice granite countertop, towels everywhere, and then here is your toilet and your shower. The one thing I'm a little disappointed in is that you have a curtain here. I'd like to see some glass. But one thing that I'm very impressed with is that we have some Gilchrist and Soames products. Gilchrist and Soames products are some of the best, and I'm really looking forward to putting those to good use. But that's it. The bathroom is really, really tiny. If you're coming here with more than 2 people, you're trying to fit more than 2 people in the room, I think you're gonna have some issues. But as we flip around, this is an added benefit to kind of help that. You have a vanity here. So if you are coming here with another person, someone can get ready right here. Nice vanity area, well lit. And one thing that I'm absolutely in love with are these free waters. You don't get free waters too often in Vegas anymore. These are Golden Nugget waters, and there are 4 of them. Usually there are just 1 or 2, and there are 4. So I think that is really cool and really impressive and really, really helpful. As we flip around, this room is spacious, and I was actually really surprised by that because this is one of the oldest hotels in Las Vegas, and typically the older hotel, the smaller the room. But this room actually has a lot of space in it. Let's just start with the bed. I think in a room like this, the bed really makes or breaks the hotel room, and this is kind of a deviation from a lot of Vegas beds. I've noticed a lot of Vegas beds lately are firm, and this is springy. This is really soft and supple. Definitely reminds me more of a Caribbean bed than a Vegas bed, but I'm not mad about it at all. As I flip around, you have a TV. It's actually pretty large for this room. And then you have a chest of drawers as well if you'd like to put some stuff away. That's really not my speed or my style because I always leave stuff behind, so that's not happening. So here's your nook area, and this is really multi-purpose. It's kind of multifaceted because there isn't a desk in this room. So of course, if you want to have some food and you want to bring it up here and eat, this is where you're going to be hanging out. You want to have a coffee in the morning, this is where you're hanging out. But also if you want to get some work done, or if you just want to hang out any other place besides the bed, this is it right here. So you have 2 seats. And I think like the lack of seating in this room, also coupled with the small bathroom, I think this room is really maxed out at 2 people. I think if you want to fit 3 in here, I really don't think that's going to happen. I think you get really cramped really fast. Let me show you my view. I'm on floor number 19 of 22. This is a strip view. So I'm interested to see what that's going to look like at night. You know, it's a little industrial as these downtown views can be. You know, you kind of got a parking lot in the foreground here, but you do have a view of the strip, of course the Strat and everything else there, so that's going to look really cool at night. And as I flip around, you can kind of see how spacious this room is. I feel this area right here is a little wasted. You can maybe fit like another chair or maybe even a love seat in here. Maybe they're trying to limit how many people you could fit in this room. Maybe that's why they only put 2 chairs there. But I do feel this corner area right here is definitely a waste of space. I'm probably gonna put my luggage right here and lay everything out. I do have 140 pounds of it, so this would be kind of convenient for me. But I think for like the regular traveler, it'd be nice to have some more seating or a desk or something in here. Other than that, you know, this property is so old, and I gotta say this room has kind of exceeded my expectations. I didn't expect it to be so modern and so fresh and so clean. Now, I'm not calling it modern, fresh, and clean, but for a hotel of this caliber and of this age, it's definitely like cleaner, fresher, and more modern than I thought it would be. Nice finishes, you know, you got some dimensional stuff in front of the bed. Nice wallpaper in here. You got some art to kind of liven things up. It is really homey in here. I feel really comfortable. I think that's due to the earthy tones, you know, kind of lots of browns and grays and stuff like that. And typically I'm not a fan of that motif, but in this hotel, I think it works. I think it meshes and jives with the overall theme of the property. I am going to reveal what I paid for this room in another video, And of course, this is just my room tour. I want to give you a complete inside look. I am here for 3 nights. And apparently this has one of the best steakhouses in the country. They claim it's a top 10 steakhouse in the entire country. I gotta check that out. The pool looks amazing. I just walked by that when I checked in. It looks stunning, and I've seen a lot of videos online. I can't wait to check that out. And overall, this place is buzzing. There's a ton of energy. There's a ton of people here. This is definitely one of the most popular hotels in all of Las Vegas, and I can't wait to find out why that is. But to bring things back to this room and to kind of wrap up this video, again, this is the Premium King in the Carson Tower. You get a king-size bed that's super nice. Overall, I'd say for the age of this hotel and for the caliber of this property, this hotel room is spacious. It is modern, it's fresh, it's clean. Maybe not overall compared to like an Aria or anything like that, but again, for a hotel of this age, it is much better than what I thought it would be. I think it's much more polished and much more refined than I expected. So I'm liking it. I'm gonna give my cost away in another video. And of course, like I said, I'm here for 3 nights. And if you are interested in what I do in my experience video, check out my channel or check out the description below. Eventually, I'll drop a link down there.